Hello friends, from today a new series is gonna be started, that is Speak in Bengali, how to speak in Bengali. So many friends are there, they are coming to West Bengal for their job purpose or for their education purpose. And that's why they need to learn Bengali language, and this language is very tough or very easy. You have to learn this. So from today the new series is there, that is Bengali language learning. Speak in Bengali or spoken Bengali. Bengali language is little bit tough. Comparing to English language, it is tougher. So that is not a matter here. We need to learn Bengali language. That is why how easily we can learn this. So this is the main thing of this series. We have to learn Bengali language throughout verb and subject. So in Bengali language, main top thing is verb forms. So many verb forms are there. There is no auxiliary verbs. That is why we have to learn it carefully and we have to speak fluently in Bengali language. Okay, here we have to know the verb forms. Each and every verb has so many forms, and verb forms are not related one after another. Particular one verb we have to choose at first, and then we have to know how many forms are there, and it is very tough to remember the all verb forms. That is why by practicing we have to know, we have to remember, we have to put it in our mind. Okay, so don't be afraid. Bengali language also is very easy language if you know in proper way. Okay, so in English, to go, this is a verb form, to go. This form is in Bengali jawa. To go equal to jawa. So now we can say in this way, I go, ami jai, ami jai. I go to market, ami bazare jai. Just see here, I go to market. This part is fixed. I go. After that, the remaining part will be after go. I go to market. But here, ami jai. This is the verb form. This is the verb form. Ami jai. And then to market will be here. Ami bazare jai. Market equal to bazar. To market, I am going to market. To market means bazare. I am going to a city. There you have to put another part with the city. Suppose the city is Kolkata. So I go to Kolkata every day. Here in Bengali it will be Ami jai Kolkata protidin. No, not like this. I go to Kolkata. Ami to Kolkata equal to Kolkatae. Kolkata is a city. To Kolkata direction there Kolkatae. Kolkatae. So I go to Kolkata. Ami Kolkatae jai. Every day, protidin. Every day, protidin. So here it will be I go to Kolkata every day. It will be Ami protidin Kolkatae jai. So we can say in continuous form, it is the indefinite form, present indefinite form. So if we say in continuous form, I am going, it will be ami jacchi. Go jai. I আমি to go যাওয়া I go আমি যাই I am going আমি যাচ্ছি যাচ্ছি যাই যাচ্ছি I am going to Kolkata আমি কলকাতায় যাচ্ছি So here you just follow this I am going to Kolkata Kolkata is here at the end of the sentence but in Bengali it will be in the middle of the sentence the Bengali structure is like that at first you have to say the subject and at the end of the sentence you have to put the verb form Here subject and verb form are related with the subjects the verb form will be varied the variation will comes after the subject so here you have to say that subject is I we here the same verb form will be there he she they here the same verb form will be there in same tense you two parts are there formal informal formal part you তুমি informal part you তুই so here different verb forms will be there it is little bit tough here who are coming to West Bengal for their job purpose they no need to learn the informal part of you tui no need here you have to learn the another part most formal part that is apni you equal to apni so this part we have to remember and also tumi this part we have to remember so here close person who are your close person with them you can say this formal part that is tumi and who are not your close person totally formal environment there you have to say apni apni you equal to apni and you equal to tumi but the informal part very close your younger brother there you can say this part that is tui but those friends who are coming to Kolkata for their job purpose and education purpose they no need to learn this part tui you equal to tui this part is no need okay verb forms will be changed with these subjects and this subject okay so now this part I go to Kolkata this one sentence today we will learn carefully and we will not forget never okay now I go আমি যাই we go আমরা যাই I equal to আমি we equal to আমরা so I go আমি যাই we go আমরা যাই so here the verb forms will be remain same so I we যাই I আমি we আমরা আমরা যাই I go আমি যাই so here আমি যাই I go আমরা যাই we go here another word that is আমি London যাই I go to London আমি লন্ডনে যাই we go to London আমরা লন্ডনে যাই just say with me okay so I go to Kolkata say with me I go to Kolkata আমি কলকাতায় যাই here you need to practice with me that is I go আমি যাই I go to Kolkata আমি যাই কলকাতায়, no, not correct. So you have to say আমি কলকাতায় যাই, কলকাতায়, কলকাতা এ, কলকাতায়. So আমি কলকাতায় যাই, I go to Kolkata, I go to Kolkata. Okay, now say with me, we go to Kolkata. Here we go to Kolkata. আমরা কলকাতায় যাই. Just say this part, we go. Just say here, we go. আমরা যাই, it will be যাই. I, we, both will be the same. আমি, I go, আমি যাই. আমরা, we go, আমরা যাই. So here we go to Kolkata, আমরা কলকাতায় যাই. Now another place, that is I go to market. Market equal to bazar. So I go to market, আমি বাজারে এ. Here with the place at the end of the place will be a. So I go to market, আমি বাজার এ, বাজারে. I go to market, আমি বাজারে যাই. will be the same, যাই. আমরা বাজারে যাই means we go to market. We go to market equal to আমরা বাজারে যাই. So this one part, that is the go, I go, we go, and then I am going, it will come, I am going to market, আমি বাজারে যাচ্ছি. I am going to market, আমি বাজারে যাচ্ছি. আমি বাজারে যাচ্ছি. I am going to market. আমি অফিসে যাচ্ছি. অফিস এ. I am going to office. I am going to office. আমি অফিসে এ, অফিসে যাচ্ছি. We are going to school. আমরা স্কুল এ, স্কুলে, স্কুলে. We are going to school. আমরা স্কুলে যাচ্ছি. আমি যাচ্ছি. I am going, আমি যাচ্ছি. We are going, আমরা যাচ্ছি. So this continuous part also very easy, যাচ্ছি. Now if we change the subjects, then he, she, same. He and she both are same in Bengali language. He and she, they, তারা, he goes, সে যায়. Here the verb form will be যায়. So he goes, সে যায়. He goes to market, সে বাজারে যায়. He goes to market, সে বাজারে যায়. She goes to market, সে বাজারে যায়. They go to market, তারা বাজারে যায়. They go to market, তারা বাজারে যায়. They, তারা. So all the subjects, third person, singular, plural, all will take যায়, যাচ্ছে, same verb form in same tense. So he is going to market, he is going to market. This sentence will be সে বাজারে, to market বাজারে, this is same. সে বাজারে যাচ্ছে, 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 going. She is going to market, সে বাজারে যাচ্ছে। They are going to market, তারা বাজারে যাচ্ছে, তারা বাজারে যাচ্ছে। They are going to market, they are going to market, তারা বাজারে যাচ্ছে। So friends, this is the first part. Just for example, I am saying you. So for learning Bengali language, we have to know verb forms and subject, their relation, how they can getting changed. This is the main thing. If you know the subject and verb forms relation, then Bengali language will be very easy for you. So not much more today. Next time we will discuss how can we grab this language easily, and you can stay here in Kolkata or in West Bengal for a long time. Lifelong you can stay here learning this Bengali language throughout our channel Arivu. So just subscribe this channel Arivu and like this video for getting the next part easily. So tada today, bye bye.